Do you want to optimize dispatch and routing of service technicians? Field Service Software CSOne. Have you ever had these problems with field service or customer support? Trouble arranging technicians under different circumstances and limitations. Difficulties setting the schedule of the day because of travel time management and also planning break times. Uncertain if the dispatch you set up was the optimal solution. Needing to contact the customer multiple times to adjust the schedule. Not only is this time-consuming, but it may also affect customer satisfaction. Lack of confirmation leading to human error. You won't be able to do anything once you arrive on site in the worst scenario. Many companies are facing these problems, even if they put in enormous time and effort on human resources for dispatch work. CSOne's automated dispatch and routing feature will dramatically reduce the process for the dispatch manager. CSOne considers restrictions and travel time using various information effectively, and it automatically sets up a dispatch by utilizing its unique algorithm. The optimal solution is offered all the time because it automatically adjusts the day's schedule and selects the best travel route. This reduces human error as well. Schedules for the next few months are also planned and calendars are created automatically. You can also see a distribution map of who is in charge based on the destination. It is less stressful for the customers to contact the company because the operators can schedule the date right away. Customer satisfaction will improve. Greater reduction in man-hours is made possible. For example, a company with 20 dispatch managers had each of them work 3 days to manage 2,000 cases of dispatch work per month for their 100 technicians. Now, after installing CSOne, it only takes an hour with 2 dispatch managers to complete the same workload. The productivity will definitely improve. CSOne, the cloud-based field service software, also have other useful features such as e-signature, sales management, service contract and inspection plan management, and easy access to service history from anywhere. CSOne is perfect for field service and customer support. The dispatch manager's workload will reduce dramatically. CSOne's auto dispatch and routing. Please contact us for more details.